Hello, I am Professor Terry Alford, and I'm excited to share our Introduction to Semiconductor Packaging and Design micro-credential course with you. Semiconductor performance does not depend on silicon alone. It depends on the package. As chips become smaller and more powerful, packaging design determines how they connect, scale, and integrate into complex systems. In this Level 1 program, you will explore the fundamentals of semiconductor packaging, from Moore's Law and different packaging architectures to heterogeneous integration and the emerging 2D, 2.5D, and 3D interconnect technologies. By completing this micro badge, you will walk away able to understand and discuss modern packaging strategies with industry specialists, recognize industry trends, and prepare for more advanced coursework in packaging and assembly. Developed by ASU Engineering and informed by industry needs, this credential signs that you understand the fundamentals and the foundation of one of the most important and rapidly evolving areas of semiconductor technology. If you're serious about entering into this field, this course gives you the context to move forward with confidence. I hope you will join us. Thank you.